Are you looking to transfer funds to Canada safely and quickly? Xoom, which is actually a PayPal service, offers a seamless online platform for sending money, paying bills, and even reloading phones. With Xoom, you can send money directly to a Canadian bank account for cash pickup or even home delivery. The entire process is done online, so you don't need to visit a physical branch at all. To start, just create an account on Xoom.com or use the Xoom app. Enter the recipient's details, choose the transfer amount, and select the delivery method that works best for you. Xoom provides real-time exchange rates, ensuring transparency and better value for your money. Transfers are typically processed within minutes, but bank deposits may take 1 to 3 business days depending on the financial institution. Alright, so here are 6 tricks to maximize your transfer. First, you can use Xoom's recurring transfer option to lock in better rates. Second, try opting for bank transfers instead of cash pickup to reduce fees. And third, consider sending smaller amounts more frequently so you can take advantage of ongoing promotions. Now, moving on to the next set of tips. Fourth, make sure to apply the promo code XOOMCAN20 for discounted fees. Fifth, if you verify your account fully, you'll be able to increase your transfer limits. And finally, use the Xoom app to get instant notifications and enjoy faster transfers. Additionally, Xoom sometimes offers exclusive discount codes like Canada Money 10 and PayPal Xoom 5, which can, reduce transaction costs. Always check the official Xoom promotions page or their email alerts for the latest offers. It's a good habit to stay updated, honestly. Xoom ensures secure transfers through multiple layers of encryption and fraud detection systems. Customer support is available 24/7, helping you troubleshoot or expedite transfers if needed. By following these strategies, your money transfer to Canada becomes not only faster, but also more cost-effective.